In today's video, I want to introduce a new version of money flow index indicator that is adaptive to market condition based on artificial intelligence. Just make sure you watch this video until the end because I'm going to teach you a very accurate trading strategy that is suitable for 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes chart. To add this amazing indicator to our chart, here we click on indicators and we search AI adaptive money flow index. This one, which is written by Algo Alpha. Alright, this is the indicator, and as you can see, it's added here below the chart. This indicator is built based on machine learning algorithm. In case if you don't know what machine learning is, it's a branch of artificial intelligence and computer science that focuses on the use of data and algorithms to imitate the way that humans learn and gradually improving its accuracy. This indicator uses a special algorithm that is called k-means clustering, and by combining it with traditional money flow index analysis, it makes it adaptive to the market condition. Alright, now let's see what we have here. As you can see, we have a histogram that is oscillating above and below the center line, which is set at 50. Similar to other oscillators, when the histogram is above 50 and green, it tells us that we have greater upside momentum, and when it's below 50 and red, we have greater downside momentum. But this is not all we get from this indicator, and it provides more details for us that are very valuable. As you can see, we have some plus signs, minus signs, and also zeros. When we have plus signs, it tells us that the price is advancing. When we have minus signs, it tells us that the price is declining, and when we have zeros, it shows we have flat market. And this is an excellent feature of this indicator, that it also shows when the market is in a trading range. And this is a very short-term view of the market, and these signs help us with precise entry and exit points in practice. Alright, we have also these two horizontal lines that help us with overbought oversold conditions in the market. This is oversold level and this is overbought level. This indicator also provides buy sell signals, which are based on these two lines. When the histogram goes above the line and then crosses back below the line, it shows sell signals like these, and when the histogram goes below the oversold level and then crosses back above the line, the indicator shows buy signals. But please don't rely only on these buy sell signals, because if you're familiar with the concept of overbought and oversold conditions, so you know that not any signal is suitable for trading, and many of the times we have just pullback after them. Alright, now I want to teach you a very accurate trading strategy based on this indicator, which is very profitable. This trading strategy is suitable for time frames from 1 minute up to 15 minutes, and right now we are on 15 minutes time frame. This is the price chart of US dollar to Japanese yen, but no limitation on this, and you can use this trading strategy on any other asset or market. In this trading strategy, we're going to use this indicator to know when the money is flowing in the market, so we can take advantage of this and enter a trade. As you know, many of the times the smart money enters into the market when the market is calm. They never enter in the market when the market is overbought or oversold. Actually, these are areas when retail traders enter in the market and usually end up in loss. So we want to take advantage of this area, the area between these two lines. For knowing when the momentum is increasing after being flat, we need to add another indicator to use it in conjunction with this indicator. So here we click on indicators and we search Andean oscillator. This one, which is an editor specs indicator and written by Alex Grover. This indicator is a very powerful indicator that can help us with trending and non-trending market. When the red line is above the orange line, it shows the market is trending down, and when the green line is above the orange line, it shows the market is trending up, and when the orange line is above the other two, it shows flat market. We're going to use the crossing point of red line or green line above the orange line that shows beginning of increased momentum in that direction. Before we start the strategy, please give this video a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. Alright, this is how we trade based on this setup in Andean oscillator. When the red line crosses above the orange line in this indicator, the only thing that we need is that the histogram should not be oversold. Let's go to the setting of the indicator, and here in the style tab, here we increase the thickness of the edge of the histogram so we can better see it on our chart. Alright, so as I said, when the red line crosses above the orange line, here the histogram should not be oversold. In other words, it should be above the oversold level. So here the signal is confirmed, and we can enter a short position at this point when this new candle is opened. The stop loss for this trade is placed above the previous swing high, and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Moving on the chart, here again the red line crosses above the orange line, line, and in this indicator the histogram is above the line. It is in the middle part as you can see. So the sell signal here is confirmed and we can another short position at this point when this new candle is opened. The stop loss above the previous swing high and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Moving on the chart, no signal around here. We want the lines to go below the orange line and then cross above the orange line, like here where the red line crossed above the orange line, but here the histogram is oversold. It is below the line as you can see. So this signal is rejected, and it was a correct rejection as you can see because the price advanced after that and hitting our stop loss here. Alright, moving on the chart, here the red line crossed above the orange line and the histogram is in the middle part above the oversold level. So the sell signal is confirmed and we can enter a short position at this point when this new candle is opened. The stop loss above the previous swing high and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Alright, moving on the chart, here we had crossing of red line above the orange line, but as you can see the histogram is below the line. Here another short position signal where the red line crossed above the orange line, and again here the histogram is below the line, and you can see that our strategy is correctly rejecting the false signals. Moving on the chart, here the green line crossed above the orange line, and for this signal to be confirmed the histogram should not be overbought. Please pay attention, whatever the signal buy or sell, we want the histogram to be in the middle part between these two lines. Alright, moving on the chart, here the green line crossed above the orange line, the histogram is below the line, it is not overbought, so the buy signal is confirmed and we can enter a long position at this point with the stop loss below the previous swing low and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio, and we continue like this. Please pay attention that although this trading strategy is very accurate and very profitable as you can see, but this doesn't mean you will not encounter false signals. No indicator or a strategy can give you 100% guaranteed signals, and to remain as a consistently profitable trader you need to manage your risk properly, otherwise you will definitely lose your trading account. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's a perfect choice for scalping and day trading. I have a complete guide on this, the link is also placed in the description, and I highly recommend you to watch it because without a proper risk management strategy you cannot become a successful trader. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new video. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.